Welcome to our detailed comparison between Airship and Customer.io. Both platforms are renowned for their customer engagement tools, but let's delve deeper into their features. Airship stands out with its predictive AI, which allows for personalized marketing campaigns. It also provides real-time analytics and A/B testing. On the other hand, Customer.io offers behavior-based automation and segmentation, enabling highly targeted campaigns. It also provides A/B testing and real-time analytics, but lacks predictive AI. When it comes to pricing, both platforms offer different plans to cater to various business sizes. Airship provides a custom pricing model, which means you pay for what you need. This can be cost-effective for larger enterprises, but might be less predictable for smaller businesses. Conversely, Customer.io offers a tiered pricing model starting at $150 per month, making it more predictable but potentially more expensive for smaller companies. User experience is vital when choosing a platform. Airship has a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. It also offers a mobile app for on-the-go access. Customer.io, on the other hand, has a more complex interface due to its extensive features. This may require a steeper learning curve, but once mastered, it offers more in-depth customization options. Integrations can extend the functionality of these platforms. Airship integrates with key systems like Salesforce, Adobe, and Google Marketing Platform. However, Customer.io has a broader range of integrations, including popular tools like Segment, Zapier, and Slack, which may make it more flexible for diverse tech stacks. Performance is key for any platform. Airship boasts high-speed performance thanks to its robust infrastructure. It's known for its reliable delivery of push notifications and emails. Customer.io also delivers high performance with a strong emphasis on email, deliverability rates, and fast push notification services. Security is a major concern for businesses. Airship uses industry-standard security measures, including encryption and access controls, to protect user data. Customer.io also places high importance on security, with GDPR compliance and data encryption. However, it goes a step further with its ISO 27001 certification, a globally recognized security standard. Support services can greatly impact your experience with a platform. Airship offers dedicated support with a personal touch, including a dedicated account manager. Customer.io also provides robust support, including email and live chat. However, it lacks the personalized touch of a dedicated account manager. Scalability is crucial for growing businesses. Airship's custom pricing model and robust infrastructure make it highly scalable. However, Customer.io's tiered pricing model and extensive integrations can also accommodate growth, making both platforms scalable solutions. After comparing all aspects, the winner is Customer.io. The reasons are its extensive integrations that offer greater flexibility, its robust security measures, including ISO 27001 certification, and its predictable tiered pricing model. However, both platforms have their strengths, and the right choice will depend on your specific needs. Thank you for watching this comparison between Airship and Customer.io. We hope it was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this.